All right, cool. What's up, everybody? We're gonna attempt to play Magic tonight. This is Mike. He's our opponent,
What's up, guys?
and we're gonna try Alpha 40 and see how that goes. How you been, buddy?
Doing all right. Been busy with holidays and almost looking forward to January already.
All right, and you want to roll first? Looking awesome.
Do a high roll.
Yeah. 4.
Good start to the night.
I got a 7, so I'll take the draw.
All right, good luck, Jeremy.
You too, and I have a keeper hand. I'm gonna keep this.
I got this. Start with the forest.
I'll go first.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
That's okay. Let's start. Let's do island, and I'll pass to you.
Forest and sprites. Go ahead.
Is good. I will draw. Do an island, and let's put psychic venom
Yeah.
on your forest.
All right.
Then I got to pass with 6 here.
Play a mountain. Swing for 1 with the sprites.
I go to 19.
And go ahead.
I'll
I'm at 6.
untap. Draw. Let's play Scrubland.
Yep.
Let's let's go ahead and tap blue and a colorless. Let's put a psychic venom on the mountain. And I'll pass with 5.
Play a fresh mountain and swing for 1.
You got it. 18 over here.
Go ahead. I'm at 6 cards.
Untap, draw. Play a land. I'll play an island. I'm gonna tap the island for Black Vice.
Yep.
Tap an island. I'm gonna unsummon your sprites.
Got it.
And then I've got 3 in hand.
Okay.
I'm gonna tap Scrubland for black and play Demonic Tutor.
Yep.
Tutor. Oh, second card from the top. It's usually perfect use of the tutor. We could have waited 2 turns.
Where's the fun in that?
Cut that. And then I got to pass.
All right.
3.
Upkeep, I'm at 7. Go to 17. Draw. Play another mountain. Tap all, take 4 to 13.
Ouch.
Play Dragon Well.
What? Yeah, that's good.
Go ahead.
That's worth 4, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's untap. We'll draw 1. Play a land. Let's play Tropical Island. Let's let's tap 3 blue for Time Twister.
Yeah. Is that what you tutored for?
That's what I tutored for, yeah. It's basically a Vice
Yeah.
Time Twister, so you try to like get Vice on the board and Twister.
I just keep my hand at 7.
Yeah.
Seems good.
Sometimes it works if they're not playing creatures in their deck. It's not as good. All right, fresh 7. Yeah, let's tap. Let's tap the Scrubland for Soul Ring. Let's tap Soul Ring for 2 Black
Damn.
Vices. Dang it.
Yeah.
And I got 4 cards I have to pass.
All right. Upkeep, I'm at 7, so I'll be taking 9 down to 4 life. Draw for turn. Play a forest. Yeah, we'll swing for 2 with
Yep, you
2
got.
pumps, so 4 total.
I'll take 4. I'll go to 14.
Post combat, play a sprites. You can go
got it.
ahead. I'm at 6 cards, so I'll be dying on the upkeep unless you have mercy.
What do I have? Play a land. I'll play Underground Sea.
Yep.
Let's tap a scrub land for a Crystal Rod.
Yeah.
I will tap Island and Soul Ring. I'll twiddle your forest.
Yep. Down to 2.
Gain 2 life. Go to 16. I'll tap Tropical Island and Island.
Yep.
I'll play Regrowth.
Yeah.
I'll get.
Just gonna kill me now, huh?
I'll get the twiddle, and I'll twiddle the mountain.
And that's 0.
Boom. Let's do game 2.
Perfect execution.
Yeah, I should be able to have enough time to record 3 games this way. But yeah. And on camera, you never lose Psychic Venoms to your opponents.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's something shortly after the pandemic, I started playing this deck and was like, oh wait, where did my Psychic Venoms go?
Yep. Just like back in the day, really.
Exactly.
Was this in the main? I probably never deciphered it after I tested it.
Yeah, I like the addition of the Venoms in there. Are you running the Time Vault as well?
No Time Vault. I think that,
It would combo with the Vice, but having Twiddles already,
yeah.
like it seems like a natural play. I also love Time Vault, so like any opportunity to play it, I'm going to seize, regardless of how inefficient it would be.
Yeah. I think in the power group you're allowed, I think Time Vault is in the power group, so you can do that,
Oh,
or
yeah.
Time Twister,
Yeah, Twister would definitely be better.
or Recall. But I don't have any of the other like power cards playable, like Fast Bond, Time Walk. I don't have any of those. Back to 20. Let's go to game number 2.
All right, good luck.
Yes, sir. You'll get to play this time, so
Yep.
you'll have the advantage, I think.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Well, I'm stuck with this.
I got to keep it as well.
Draw for turn. Play a forest and the sprites.
For
Go ahead.
Sprite's good. I'll draw. I'm going to start with an Island Black Vice.
Yep. I'm at 6 cards.
I've got 6. I'll pass to you.
Take 2 in my upkeep to 18.
Those two are coming out.
Play a mountain. Swing for 1.
You got it. I'll go to 19.
Go ahead.
I will untap and draw. I'll play another land. I'll play an island. I will pass it over to you.
All right. Upkeep, I have 6 cards. Go down to 16. Draw. Play a mountain. Go to combat and swing for 1.
I'll take it.
I'll giant growth.
I will. unsummon
Yep.
the sprites.
Go ahead. I've got 6 cards in hand still.
All right, let's untap. I've got 5 now. I'll draw 1. Play a land. I'll play Underground Sea. I'm gonna tap the sea for black. Play a Dark Ritual.
Yep.
And I'm gonna tap an island for blue. Play Time
Yeah.
Twister using 2 of the black.
Sounds good.
Floating 1 black, 1 colorless, I guess. 1 black, technically. And then put that in its own graveyard. I'll be looking to draw 1 more Black Vise.
Yeah.
Yeah, these games are quick when you have. Awesome. Hope you get a good 7.
I rolled this die. I think you'll be at 14.
I think it's at 19. Yeah.
Yeah.
They can let us know in the comments where we're at.
This is why we don't use, well, shouldn't use dice for anything serious.
Yeah. All right. So with the colorless, I
Yep.
am gonna play a Black Vise,
Yeah.
and then I think with. I'm not gonna do anything else. So I'm just gonna pass it to you.
All right, I've got 7 cards, so I'll take 6 in my upkeep to 10. Draw for turn.
So this is 58 cards.
Play a forest and a war mammoth,
War Mammoth is good.
I just
and I will pass to you.
On your end step, I'm gonna tap island.
Yep.
I'm gonna unsummon the War Mammoth. And I've got 5, so I will untap. Draw 1. Play a land. I will play an island. I will. Let's see here. 10. I'm gonna tap C for black and play Demonic Tutor.
Yep.
I'm a tutor.
Honestly, like you put good cards in and things happen.
I'm running like
That card.
It's not a twister this time, so.
No, I mean I guess I could tutor for regrowth, but I can't play regrowth.
I mean, a vice is probably.
Probably.
The ideal
I'll let
one,
you
yeah.
cut that. I am
Especially if you
gonna,
have a. Yeah.
yeah, I think I'm gonna tap a blue for a crystal rod, and I'll tap that blue for a black
Yep.
vise. I've got 3 cards I have to pass.
I'm at 7 cards, so I will take 9 and go to 1 in my upkeep. Draw for turn.
then I had some living wishes because I had later on I saw this and that. I was like, that's good.
And try to
Do you like shoes?
play as much as I can out, play a war mammoth,
You got it.
and I'll bolt you,
I'll take 3 down to 16, I think.
and go ahead. I'm at 5 cards, so see if
Okay.
you can kill me before my upkeep again.
I need like a soul ring. It's not a soul ring. I'll play a land though. I'll play Tundra for turn. I can tap an island and another island. I'll put a Psychic Venom on one of your cards, lands there. And then I'm gonna pass the turn to you.
Yep. With 5 cards in my hand, upkeep, black vice will kill me.
I will also mana short you
Excellent.
right
There
there.
we go.
Tap that land. Beautiful.
Always a
Awesome.
good time. Yeah.
Thanks, Mike. That was great.
Pleasure.
It was awesome. Thanks for testing out the deck. I think I'll roll with it this month and
Yeah.
see how it goes.
I'll
Def-
be following and.
Yeah, I'll play that in the Alpha 40 League this month. Definitely getting 3 Black Vices out is not common, but it's helpful when it happens. And then I think this video turned out really good. I'll put it up on our YouTube channel.
Excellent.
You can relive all the glory.
Yeah.
Cool. Appreciate it.
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, Juan. Have a good night, everyone.